Finally, I got my mic. My god, can't believe I forgot to bring my mic. That tells you like how long it's been since I last did a motovlog. Okay, it's about time. Gotta set my waypoint. Still not very certain which MSCP is it that I'm going. Okay, hope oh shit, didn't see properly. I hope, yeah, this is the correct place that I'm going. Okay, let me start up this bike. Okay, see, if I put my phone first and then start the bike, it's gonna be a hinder, man. Okay, all ready to roll. Gloves on. Okay, let's go. Get my fat ass to where I'm supposed to be. Woo! Too fast. Oh, I cut the white line. Sorry, bro. Please don't catch me. Oh man, here always a lot of people taking their driving license. Like, really have to be careful. Okay, is this where I'm supposed to go? Oh no, okay. Oh, woo! Sorry, bro. Alright. This guy, Alright, what is up, Wackafellas? I'm finally back at a motovlog. I sure do hope you actually miss my voice. It's been... Oh, no, you're not turning? Okay. I sure do hope you actually miss my voice, because it's been so long since I last spoke on camera. Not really on camera, but yeah, on a motovlog. And currently I'm on my way to meet the one and only, starts with an F and a Z, Singapore's motorcycle reviewer, Farhan and Zar. Hey. Like a finally, Ayo. Hey, green light now. So you guys have always wanted to see me being featured on Farhan's YouTube channel. To see, I don't know whether you all want to see me or you want to see my bike lah. I hope you all want to see me. No lah, obviously you all just want to see the R1, right? R1M. So actually I've already done my own like review about the R1M, but this time we'll be going to meet Farhan to do like a proper the quick shifter, I swear. Yeah, we're gonna do an official review with Farhan lah. You know, put my bike into his records. Let's go, raw power. Not really raw lah, got a lot of electronics. So I hope you guys will enjoy this review that I'm gonna do with Farhan and Zar. Honestly, my technical knowledge about bikes, I wouldn't say I'm very good. Yeah, a lot of things I read up myself through YouTube, Wikipedia, or I gather my knowledge from other riders and stuff. So yeah, should bear with me on my technical knowledge. I'll try to share as much as I can, and also I think more importantly, my personal experience. I'll also be sharing, I guess, my background story of how I got into motorcycles and all. Yeah, actually back then Farhan did reach out to me about reviewing my R1M and to collab lah. It will be a great honor, huge honor to work with Farhan and Zar. Just that back then when they contacted me, I was very busy and my reservice was coming up. So I told them that I can't lah. Probably I'll do it after my reservice. And honestly, I think that Farhan did inform me that there was another R1 that wants to be reviewed. So I told him like, hey, don't wait for me lah. You just review that guy's R1 since he's so keen about reviewing his bike. I will just let him do it. I don't have to wait for me. So I guess he actually reviewed the R1, but I'm not too sure if he's done editing it yet. I guess not lah. For now, I haven't seen the R1 video yet. But that's the standard R1 lah. But mine is the R1M. Okay lah, actually honestly the R1 and the R1M it's not so much of difference lah. It's just a few more electronics and the data logger and stuff. I'll share with you guys later on. It's 3. I'm meeting them at 3, and I think this is the NMSCP that they are talking about. So we have to go all the way to the rooftop as usual for their bike reviews. So how do I? Correct, right? I hope I'm at the right car park, man. I swear. If not, I have to climb down all the way. I hate doing tight turns or slow turns on the R1. Correct lah. Oh, okay. Let's go the proper way. How many floors this car park have? I assume about 5. What floor am I at? Oh, this is 5A already. Oh my god, go a bit too fast there. Yep, I think I saw them. I saw the camera stand. Okay, where do I park? Yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah. Camera here. Joshua. Yep. A bit funny, Okay, wait. I push this way.
There's no your exhaust vehicle or not?
Huh? That side can? Huh?
This one can.
Oh, that side. Okay. Ayah! Yeah? Okay. Doing. Previously was GP shift. Yeah. Tiring.
Your daily is the DRC, right?
DRZ, I already set it as a track bike already lah. Then my work bike, I will use a FZ.
Oh, you got 3 bikes.
Yeah, 3.
FZ what? 16.
16 ST.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Farhan. Okay, what's up, Wackafellas? That's what I call my sub-army now. So we are done with the bike review of my R1M.
Yes.
It's been an honor to work with Farhan and Zar. It's been very fun also.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, Joshua.
No problem.
And appreciate you guys for
For your support.
Yeah.
Thanks. I appreciate the support from Farhan and Zar as well.
Yeah.
So I hope we are able to collab more in future, and then we are able to make better content for all of you guys.
Yeah.
So maybe if you, for viewers out there, if you have any comments or anything that you want to see from us, make sure to let us know. We will try to work.
We try lah. No promises lah. Too many things a lot of work Paiseh lah.
Okay, as a token of appreciation, we like to present you with some stickers from our sponsors, Liquid Moli.
Promotion. We also promote our own thing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So okay, that's the end, and hope to see you guys
On
in
the
the
road.
future. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright, we are leaving. Farhan and Zar have their own places to go. They're just in front of me. And okay. I'll be going back. It's been fun doing a video with them. I think there's really so much to share about this bike, which I think it's hard for me to cover everything on this one video. Can talk about myself, talk about my experience. I might have left out some things that I wanted to share on Farhan's video, but I think because time, I also don't want to take out too much time. And bike talk, you can really talk the whole freaking day. So if you have any further questions, you can ask me. DM me, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. I think YouTube, you are able to drop me some super chat thing. I think I haven't figured that out yet on YouTube, but yeah. So just let me know. I'll let you know further on this R1M. Oh, so long, this traffic light.